Welcome to Samba Samba. Enjoy the video.
In this video, I will explain how to use College Vidya. To begin, navigate to the homepage and locate the main search bar. You can instantly type in your desired course or college name. Next, explore the top navigation menu to find sections like colleges, courses, and exams. This will help you quickly access the primary features and start your educational journey with ease and efficiency. Finding your ideal college is simple with College Vidya's robust search. Utilize the advanced filters on the left sidebar to narrow down options by location, fees, and specializations. You can compare up to 3 colleges side by side using the dedicated comparison tool, which highlights key differences in academics and facilities. This ensures you make an informed decision based on comprehensive data. Once you have a college in mind, dive into its course offerings. Browse through hundreds of programs, from undergraduate degrees to postgraduate specializations. Each course profile provides detailed eligibility criteria, admission processes, and fee structures. Don't forget to read student testimonials and expert reviews, offering valuable insights into the learning experience and career prospects. This helps you choose wisely. Finally, when you're ready to apply, College Vidya simplifies the process. Access direct application links for various institutions and understand the required documentation. If you need personalized assistance, connect with our experienced counselors for one-on-one guidance. We also provide extensive resources on scholarships and financial aid, helping you secure funding for your education. Your academic future starts here.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.